Hey guys, I am favouritepixels. How change your nail color in Photoshop? Let's get started now. First, for Control J, select your new layer and go to Quick Select tool. Shift, select your shift and select your layer. There's one. Go to expand, select OK, opacity Italy, click OK and like to right click, layer copy, layer to copy, click OK, that copy the layer and height black color clean selective any color so I clean it's good, click OK and after before after before after before after before Control Shift E and the merge layer